Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a simple Flappy Bird game. So, let's get started. First, you need to go to variables, and I'm gonna make a variable, and I'm gonna name it gravity. And make sure to click for all sprites. Then go to events, grab a when green flag clicked block, go to control, grab a forever loop, and in that loop grab an if then statement. So go to sensing now, if mouse down, then go to variables. You want to set gravity to 8. Then below the if mouse down statement, you want to always change gravity by -1. Now go to motion and get a change y by block. Put it below the change gravity by -1. Now go to variables, so make it change y by gravity. So now it looks too much in the middle, so go to motion. So when green flag clicked, make it go to x 100 instead of 0. So if you try now, I think I made a mistake. It should be -100, sorry. So now it's working. So also at the beginning, go to variables. You need to set gravity to 0 or it'll fall too fast. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.